Hey, Ren.
Hold on 1 second. Look at you, stinkweed.
Oh, we do have jelly bellies too.
Huh? Ah?
You don't have to bring it all over. I was just wondering what.
Wah! Abba.
Fabrics. Jelly bellies. Candy bars. Sours.